Fliki AI review and tutorial. Create realistic videos for free. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be focusing on this platform called Fliki AI. This platform is a great platform that claims to be able to turn your ideas, your blogs, your PPT, anything that you have into videos with AI voices. It has a lot of potential for a lot of types of videos that you could create, especially for promoting. An example is that you could use it to promote a product that you're selling online. An example over here is that you could start with your text, ideas, PPT, blogs, or even tweets, and it will turn that tweet or topics into very simple videos. And we will be checking out in today's video if all of those claims are true, and we will be talking about the different applications that you could use for this specific application. So to get started, simply visit Fliki.ai and simply click on sign up or login over here on the top right. After doing all of those process, this is now going to be your homepage, or basically where you'll be able to start using Fliki. Now in Fliki, as you can see, we currently are in the files, and this is where you will be able to find all the projects that you have. Now for me, I only have these 3 projects over here because I was trying things out, but to test it out, let's go and start by simply clicking on new file over here on the top right. As you can see, we have 3 options to create on Fliki. We are able to create a video, an audio, and a design. So simply select the file that you need. So over here, let's say our file name for our video is, let's say, testing for now. Click on submit. You are able to select the aspect ratio, by the way. I forgot to show you or change it earlier, but anyway, as you can see here, this is like the basic editor. You have your background audio on the left side, you have your scene, your voiceover, your layouts, the section where you could view the video. As you can see, there's nothing right now. The text, the media, pictures in picture, and many more. So for example, let's add a layer for now. This one section, you will be able to change the position of different things. That's with this one. Let's exit this one for now. So anyway, let's simply test out the AI. As you can see here, we have the option Magic Create, which creates a video with the help of AI Magic. So simply select this. Now, we have all of this option. What would we like to create today? We could have an idea, transform our ideas into sonic videos. We could transform our scripts into engaging videos, convert blogs into videos, PowerPoint into videos, and even products over here that we will be checking out on another video. So let's start with a very simple, an idea. So let's create a very simple idea over here. So I would like to promote, let's say a shoe. So create a stunning demonstration of how Converse is very durable. Show people running and doing all sorts of activities with a Converse shoe. So that's an example of our idea. And then we could select the tone over here. You have all of these tones over here. So select the specific tone that you need. For example, if you're someone who's trying to promote a financial topic, of course, you're going to select the financial tone. But for me, since I'm going to be promoting Converse, I could go with something like productivity or even motivational. Let's go with motivational. Then you could enter the maximum duration. Right now, it's on 1 minute, I guess. So you could choose the videos, the places where the media will be taken from. You could choose whether it's video or image. I'll go with video. You can also have AI over here, which will auto-generate videos or images using AI for scenes. There's some templates over here, sound effects as well, AI avatar, and many more. But let's click on submit over here. Let's allow the notification for now so that we could identify or know when a video has been finished. As you can see, it's currently processing. So we're simply going to wait for the process to finish and for our video to be created. Now it's going to be very quick. As you can see, it's already almost finished, and it hasn't even been 1 minute since I We have started it, but hopefully it finished soon so that we could demonstrate it. And there we go, successfully created. Now let's play it. And
Every step you take in Converse is a step filled with history.
let's see if we will be able to change the audio. Like on settings. In this settings, by the way, this is where you will be able to change the aspect ratio if you want. But anyway, this is our video. Let's just play it and judge it after this. As you can see already on our screen, we are already seeing the Converse shoe that we specified at the start. And it's generating a script already and a voiceover, which is really great. So let's play start.
Style and unmatched durability. Witness how Converse effortlessly transitions from the bustling city streets to the tranquil beauty of nature. Converse isn't just for show. See them in action, supporting athletes through every jump, sprint, and marathon. From the rugged trails of adventure to the smooth concrete of urban landscapes, Converse stands the test of every terrain. Artists, musicians.
It has a really great output so far. The downside or the thing that isn't satisfying me is that some of the videos indeed showed videos of the topics, but it's not really showing much of the shoe or people in action. So for example, this one, Converse isn't just for show. Although the video is great, which is the soccer, I would prefer if they showed someone running or a better transition. For this one, it's still street, but it could get some improvements, but you will be able to have more improvements with the different videos by playing around with the settings that you have. Like for the ideas, you could put more details in the idea prompt. For the stock media, you could select AI media if you want, something like that, and many more. There's only different things that you will be able to try out. But anyway, after having this, let's say you already have your output, you could modify the text over here, which will of course change the AI. And then you could change in changing the AI, you will be able to change the script of the AI. You're also able to modify the pronunciation, which is really great.
Every step you take in Converse is a step filled with history, style, and unmatched durability.
If you want to test out the new script that you added, you can simply click on pronounce over here. Or you can also add a pause over here, as you can see, so that there's a pause in between the different scenes or during this specific text over here. You can also position the different text over here through on the right side, as you can see. You could put in the shadow color, highlight color, and many more. If you're unhappy with a specific section, you can easily delete it just like that, which would allow you to delete that specific layer. Now, what we specifically deleted was the text. So we could also delete the specific scene by clicking on delete. Now, you could try it out on the different types of create over here, from ideas, scripts, blog, PowerPoint, tweets, products, and many more. And if you're satisfied with the output that Fliki has provided to you, you can easily download it. There we go, select the resolution and select the format, and you will be able to download it just like that. Although if you want to have no watermark, you would need to upgrade your plan to be able to have a better exportation of your videos. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.